Hey, what's up guys? We are here in Concord, about to try this Texas de Brazil churrascaria steakhouse tonight. So come on in, let's go try it out. It's cooked about well done. Try it out.
I'm sorry, sir. There you go, Texas Brazil Cabernet.
Ooh, flank steak. Just cuts through. Cooked all the way.
Thank you. Good?
Hot. Good.
What was that, Rico?
All that juice. Flank steak.
What is that again?
Lamb from Australia.
Alright, stop eating guys and just wait.
Look at all the juice coming out. Oh boy. Not a really big fan of lamb, but
Good?
it's okay. So is the filet mignon right here? Look at that juice.
Logan Paul is not smoking.
The juice comes out of the meat. So good.
Which one is that now?
That's medium rare right there. It's a flank steak.
Lamb chops here.
Oh, bro. Look.
Which one is that now, Rico?
Top sirloin. What do you call it? Picanha? The fat. The fat one. Tender of the meat. What's the bottom sirloin?
Oh, fraldinha. Fraldinha.
Oh, there's some curry right here.
Tudo bem? Tudo bem? Tudo bem?
What? Let me try this right here.
What is that?
Chimichurri with the bottom sirloin.
Let's see how they come out. It's fresh. You get the outside. I don't think so. No, I woke up. Only because this is the
Taste the herb and all. So good.
They grow.
That. My favorite so far.